Hello everyone, I welcome you from my kitchen. I'm going to make German pudding, milk rice pudding. It is just similar to rice kheer but with few variations. I request you to subscribe my channel if you haven't done so far. Hope you will like my recipe and you will not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my channel. Please press the bell icon to get the intimation of my new uploads. So let's make milk rice pudding from my kitchen. And here we go. I have taken half cup of rice, washed it and soaked it for few hours. I have kept 1 liter of milk for boiling. And I have mixed this rice in the boiling milk. I am stirring it constantly. I have kept it at low heat. We have to make kheer like we make the Indian kheer. I will be dividing this into two parts. One part I will make Indian desi kheer and to the other part I will be making milk rice German pudding. In this video I will be only showing milk rice pudding and not the Indian kheer. I have taken one part now. I am doing with that part only. Now I have added vanilla essence. Rice is almost cooked in this. I have also added walnuts in this. You can add any other nuts in this. Now I am adding 1/3 cup of sugar. Till here it is just normal kheer except with vanilla essence. We have other ingredients too to make this rice pudding. We have strawberry compote, blueberry compote, cinnamon powder, pine nuts, fruits, orange zest, cherry, almonds, and this rice pudding. Now we are assembling. In the serving glass, we have first put the rice kheer, then put the compotes. This is strawberry compote, then spread pine nuts. These compotes are made at home, so you can find my link in the description box itself. And now a layer of rice pudding. We have to put alternate layers of rice, compotes and nuts. You can also put cinnamon powder while the kheer is being made, or you can add on layers. This is going to be very delicious pudding and you are going to relish it. During assembling of this pudding, so a pinch of cinnamon powder is being added. Again now compote layers, blueberry and strawberry. Again spread compotes. What a colorful pudding is it. These days I am getting enough supply of strawberry and blueberries, so I am making different varieties of desserts. I preserve them in the form of compotes which last for 10-15 days in the refrigerator. Now garnish it with cherry and almonds and spread pine nuts. So beautiful is it looking, isn't it? Now garnish with strawberry, kiwis, etc. This pudding has got amazing flavors, flavor of cinnamon, flavor of compotes and flavor of orange zest. All these make it a unique pudding. So I am going to assemble another serving glass. I have added kheer, compotes, orange zest, nuts. This is the orange zest I am putting and garnishing with almonds and chopped fruits. I hope you have liked this German pudding, milk rice pudding. Please do mention in the comment box. Give your suggestions. I would wait for your suggestions and comments. See you next time with another recipe. Stay happy, stay connected, cook healthy. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video.